your image. Welcome the President of Regions Image Consultancy and Training Incorporated, Ms. Tony Miranda. Let's all give her a round of applause.
Good morning, everyone. Maybe not by air, right? Most of you are by land. Okay, so to decide and choose to invest in yourself. Excited ba kayo magkaroon ng high score? So,
public speaking problem.
yes, improve communication.
Yes. Stronger decision making.
We need now in their career. Now, feel that? The other side. Ayan, research na research ko. Lahat, ang dami naman. Ang wala-wala na may tapos at may work. Ano mo babasa mo? Sige, left side follow. Okay, okay lang mag-share sa side. Okay? Okay, then I get follow. Side already? Hold the paper. Don't leave it out. Good breaking. Yan. Okay, sabi na stop. Are you excited? Okay. O sabihin nyo, percent trust to develop na presence.
But I will encourage you that you
Sabi ko, masahin niya, go!
Repeat! For two more fingers below the right, yung pinaka-last
Accepting that I have a short neck.
Sabihin na guys, what happens is, see, most of you naman daw, isang color lang siya. Pero dahil ni-layer natin siya, this is one, this is two.
Proud, yung mga medyo
Naalala, very important lang na ibigay.
let's be prepared for that.
So, naka-head down din tayo.
That's